Good day everyone, here's our math challenge for today. And here's our question. Solve for the value of x given that 10 raised to x minus x squared equals x raised to x, wherein x is a real number. You can pause this video if you want to give this problem a try. Now, let's answer this question together. So our goal here is to solve for the real value of x, satisfy this equation. 10 raised to x minus x squared equals x raised to x. Now, how are we going to answer this kind of question? So here's one of the possible way. First thing to do is to factor out x in the exponent of 10. So if we do that, we get x multiplied by 1 minus x. Now, let's use this law of exponent. If we have b raised to n times m, it is equivalent to b raised to n raised to the power of m. Therefore, the left-hand side of our equation can be written as 10 raised to 1 minus x raised to the power of x. Now, at this point, we have now two expressions that is equal and they have the same exponent. Therefore, we can say that their bases must be equal, or simply 10 raised to 1 minus x must be equal to x. Now, let's use again some laws of exponent. If we have b raised to n minus m, something like 1 minus x, this is equivalent to b raised to n over b raised to the power of m. Therefore, this 10 raised to 1 minus x can be written as 10 raised to 1 over 10 raised to x. Now, 10 raised to 1 is just 10. And then let's multiply both sides by 10 raised to x. This will give us 10 equals x times 10 raised to x. Now, take note that this x is a real number. Now, take note that this 10 can be expressed or can be written like this. 1 times 10 raised to the power of 1. And this is something like x times 10 raised to x. Therefore, at this point, we can say that x must be equal to 1. And that's the only real solution to this equation. And as always, we are done.